A lobster does not weaken with age. At 100 years old, a lobster is larger, more fertile, and produces more offspring than it did at 20. Biologists studying this discovered something that overturned everything science thought it knew about why organisms age. Scientists call it negligible senescence, aging so minimal it cannot be measured. Fewer than 20 animal species on Earth possess this trait. Unlike virtually every other complex organism, the lobster shows no increase in mortality rate as it grows older. Inside every human cell, chromosomes are capped by protective sequences called telomeres. Each time a cell divides, the telomere shortens slightly. When it reaches a critical minimum length, the cell stops dividing permanently. This is the molecular clock of human aging, and it is ticking. In 1961, cell biologist Leonard Hayflick at the Wista Institute discovered that human cells can divide approximately 50 to 70 times before stopping permanently. He called this the Hayflick limit. The finding established that aging is not inevitable decay, it is a programmed countdown. Lobsters produce an enzyme called telomerase in virtually every cell in their body. Telomerase rebuilds telomeres after each division, preventing the countdown from running down. In humans, telomerase is active only in stem cells and reproductive cells. The lobster runs it everywhere, permanently. In 2009, Elizabeth Blackburn, Carol Greider, and Jack Szostak received the Nobel Prize in Physiology or Medicine for discovering how telomeres protect chromosomes and how telomerase rebuilds them. The Nobel Committee called their work the discovery of how cells count time. A lobster does not die of old age, it dies of its own growth. Each molt requires more energy than the last. Eventually the lobster cannot complete shedding its shell. It dies of exhaustion, not cellular decay. Growth kills it. Not time. Here is the problem. In 1984, molecular biologist Carol Greider discovered that cancer cells also produce telomerase, in every cell, continuously. This is how cancer becomes immortal. The mechanism that prevents lobster aging and the mechanism that makes cancer unkillable are the same enzyme. In 1951, a cancer cell taken from patient Henrietta Lacks at Johns Hopkins was placed in a laboratory dish. It never stopped dividing. HeLa cells, still multiplying 70 years later, are used in laboratories worldwide. Henrietta Lacks died 8 months after her diagnosis. Research teams led by Maria Blasco at Spain's National Cancer Research Center extended mouse lifespan by 24% through controlled telomerase activation. The mice showed improved organ function with no increased cancer rates. Controlled trials in humans have not yet begun. An alternative approach targets senescent cells, exhausted cells that have hit the Hayflick limit but refuse to die, accumulating and causing inflammation. In 2015, researchers at Mayo Clinic cleared senescent cells from aging mice using drugs called senolytics. The mice lived 35% longer. Today 3 approaches compete: telomere extension, senolytic clearance, and mTOR pathway inhibition using rapamycin, a compound already approved for human use in organ transplants. Clinical trials for longevity applications are underway at multiple institutions. The lobster's secret is now a pharmaceutical target. The lobster has no concept of death. It simply grows, divides, and rebuilds. What humanity spends billions trying to engineer, a lobster achieves by default in every cell, every moment, without any awareness it is doing something extraordinary. I am Takku. The lobster grows stronger with age while we do not. The answer lies in its ribosomes. Nature solved immortality before we thought to ask. Subscribe to Wisdom of Takku, because the answers were always here.